Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to play Bach Prelude No. 1 from the Well-Tempered Clavier. It is a pretty famous song, so I'm sure you have heard it before, and today we're going to dive in and hope you enjoy. First, you see this pattern of using left and right hand. So left hand is in charge here, and then right hand basically is in this 164 position throughout a piece. So first you have to find this position and then you'll be good to go. And then the left hand will change ever so slightly and then right hand will move. It's still the same position as the 64, meaning that